Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a blue card review of the latest £2 to come out. This is the JRR Tolkien 2023 Charles III Portraits, UK coinage, blah blah blah. You have the thing. I have two copies of this blue card coin. One will go into my blue card collection. The other will be taken out of the blue card and put into a flip and will go into my date run. This card, this coin, I've liked this coin since I saw it first in the annual commemorative set that was issued. It was the best coin of the coins that were issued. The 250p's were fairly awful. Well, one was okay, the other one was awful. The first £2 was a Flying Scotsman, which was a good coin, but was not my favourite. The £5 birthday coin of Charles II, Charles III. I keep calling him Charles II for some reason. Duh. Was okay, but it's not the same. It wasn't to my liking as much as this one was. It is such an unusual coin in the sense that it's a monogram of JRR Tolkien, and you have a very stylized monogram of Tolkien himself inside a circular of rune type design. At the top you have Tolkien's name, and on the bottom you have, I'm going to need me scope again. Where's the, oh it is, it's on the floor. Hang on a second. I'm trying to work out exactly what's on the bottom edge of the coin. Give me 1 second. It's got the year of his birth, 1892, and the year of his death, which was 1973. And on the bottom it's got writer, poet, scholar. And there is a diamond of 4 circular dots, which are, the circular dots are just about there on the coin. You've got the information about him being a poet, a writer and scholar across the bottom, and then across the top you've got the year of his birth and the year of his death and his name. As I say, this was my favourite of the £2 coins that came out. In fact, it was my favourite of the whole set that was issued at the beginning of this year in the annual set, or should I say the annual commemorative coin set. So what do you think of this coin? I actually like this coin very much, and I'm very happy to have 2 of them in my collection. So if you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you've not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I have just reached the target of 200, for which I'll be doing a giveaway shortly, if I've not already done so by the time this is released. If you're having a hunt, hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I hope it won't be too long before we meet up again on this channel, and until then, from me, bye bye now, ta-da, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.